suppose I want to be able to set up like some automatic distribution. Maybe I would want every sales rep at all of my locations to get this report on a regular basis, maybe at 7 o'clock in the morning on Mondays, because I know that we have a sales meeting at 8 o'clock. I would just right click, I would go to the document, and I would schedule a job. So not only do we do all of the visualization for you, but we also do reporting. So it's kind of that 1-2 punch. Let's say that I want to be able to send this out at, let's say at 7 o'clock in the morning, like I said, because I know that we have a sales meeting at 8 o'clock. So I want everybody to get this beforehand. I'll just select when I want it. I could choose a format. I'll probably stick with PDF, but if I wanted to send this out as an HTML file or, a Word doc or something like that, I absolutely could. I could select my delivery method. So if I just wanted to send this to a handful of resources and maybe manually type in those email addresses, I already could. But I want to export this to a folder and actually enable batch processing. So let me just check this box. And that means that everybody is going to get their own unique report. Nobody's going to be able to see anybody else's stuff unless they're maybe the SVP of sales, where a master report could be rolled up to them. You could also use this for all of your external reporting. So we have tons of customers that use this on a weekly basis to do their vendor and customer reporting. So they take a couple of minutes to set up a report, and then they never have to create that report or worry about it again. They just set it up for automatic distribution. So all of their customers and all of their vendors get their reports on time, and they're only looking at their unique, numbers that makes up their report. So let me pick my recipients. In this example, it's going to be my sales reps, although this can be any dimension from your database. And I'm going to basically click OK. So now this job is scheduled until the world ends or until I turn off this alert and this job. This is just going to run at 7 o'clock every Monday. So it took me just a couple of minutes to create this report. I added some dimensional slicers. I saved it into the shared folder, which means it's automatically available to all of my licensed users on all devices. And then I actually just right-click on this report and set it up for automatic distribution. So a couple of minutes to build a report, a couple of seconds to save it into a shared file and have it accessible on all handheld devices or Windows client. And then I took a couple of minutes and set this up for automatic distribution. So very, very easy to share and distribute knowledge throughout the organization.